Curling is a sport in which players slide stones on a sheet of ice toward a target area which is segmented into 4 concentric circles. It is related to boules and shuffleboard. Two teams, each with 4 players, take turns sliding heavy, polished granite rocks, also called stones, across the ice curling sheet toward the house, a circular target marked on the ice. Each team has 8 stones, with each player throwing 2. The purpose is to accumulate the highest score for a game. Points are scored for the stones resting closest to the center of the house at the conclusion of each end, which is completed when both teams have thrown all of their stones. A game usually consists of 8 or 10 ends. The player can induce a curved path, described as curl, by causing the stone to slowly turn as it slides. The path of the rock may be further influenced by 2 sweepers with brooms or brushes who accompany it as it slides down the sheet and sweep the ice in front of the stone. Sweeping a rock decreases the friction, which makes the stone travel a straighter path and a longer distance. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.